Hey guys, so today I have an unboxing of a Revive deck. It's my old deck. It's getting pretty old. So I'm just gonna open this. First, some grip tape. I don't know what kind it is. It's like some hammer grip tape. That's cool. Cause I didn't order this. I thought they gave Jessup if you don't get. I thought it just came with free Jessup. But this is hammer grip, so that's cool. And then got the deck to take over the world deck. Alright, I thought this was cool because it's like I like black and gray and red. And then there's some stickers in it. Here's the skate on for Casey, as usual. And then 2 gold Revive stickers. There's what it looks like without the plastic. So, has a yellow top. That's pretty cool. So, I'm filming this before I get this other box, but I'll just add that video on right now. Alright guys, here's the new board. I set it up, and in the last clip I said I was gonna have my new wheels too, but that'll be a different video because I need to set this board up because I need the old board for something, and my wheels aren't here yet, so that'll be a different video. But I'm gonna try to do the kickflip test real quick. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Can't even pop shove it. Alright, I'll do a couple more tricks real quick. Alright, I wanted to do no slide, but I want to show my friend this graphic before he gets any scratches, but I'll do one no slide. Oh, crap. Well, fail, no slide. I'm gonna do it again. I'll try that no slide again, because that was completely a fail. Also, I haven't skated all day, so this is warming up for me right now. Wow. Oh, I don't even think I got that front side 180. But, alright guys. Here's the board. Finally, we got a little bit scratch on the tail now from that. There's like nothing from the nose slide actually, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like. If you didn't like it, then dislike, because I like to know what type of videos you guys like. So, or sport. I have a video of actually skating soon, so see you next time.